Hey y'all, Organizing Higher, welcome or welcome back. I just wanted to do a really quick video to let y'all know that I'm going to be hosting an upcoming office hours with Todoist. So I recently became a Todoist ambassador maybe about 2 or so months ago. And one of the great things that I get to do is talk about how I'm using Todoist. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I talk a lot about Todoist, how I'm using it, and specifically how I'm using it to support my GTD practice. So Todoist reached out and asked if I would be interested in hosting an office hours where I share my experience in implementing the GTD methodology using Todoist. So definitely make sure that you register for the event if you're interested in attending. It's going to be on June 8th. I'll leave a link in the description below where you're able to sign up. If you have any questions that you want me to answer during this session, you can definitely type them in. There'll be a Q&A session during the office hours. But if you're not able to attend, it is recorded and then uploaded. And you can leave comments below if you have any specific questions that you want to make sure that I answer. If I can't answer them in the office hours, I'll try to answer them directly for the comment as well. But it's also just kind of helpful to know what kind of questions that folks have. So super excited about the opportunity to be able to talk about GTD and talk about Todoist. So again, it's on June 8th. And I will leave more information in the description box below. And finally, wanted to say thank you for 600 subscribers. It's been really exciting to see so many people who are interested in watching my content. And I am so excited for what's happening in the upcoming year and additional opportunities that'll come up like this. So definitely leave a comment below if there are things that you want me to talk about on this channel, things related to Todoist or productivity or GTD or anything like that. And I'll try my best to make videos on them. Thanks so much for watching and have a great week.